Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install VMware Workstation Pro on Windows operating system. So for that, first you need to go to your favorite browser and to type over here VMware Workstation Pro download, hit enter. So that will give you this VMware.com official site. Just go to their official site. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you need to click on this download now button. That's going to redirect to the official site of Broadcom. Again, this link also I am going to provide on our video description. Here you need to first sign in. So for that, click on login and then click on register. That will show you this page. Here you need to provide your email ID and then you need to fill this captcha and click on next. A verification code will be sent directly to your email ID. You need to put that over here and click on verify and continue. Next, here you need to provide your first name, last name, country, job title, and you need to confirm your password. So let's do all of that quickly. And then you need to accept these terms and conditions and you need to click on create an account. So we are registered successfully. So now you can scroll down and you can click on I'll do it later for the time being. So now we have a proper Broadcom account. So let's click on login. So let's provide our username and click on next. And then your password and click on sign in. And there you go. We are now signed in. So you can close all this and you can go to software and then you can go to VMware Cloud Foundation and then you can click on my dashboard. So that's going to redirect to this page. Here click on close and search for our product, which is VMware Workstation Pro. So click on this. So that's going to show you this page, but here you can see for some reason the product is not listed over here. So for that, what you can do is you need to scroll down and you can click on some of their article. So for example, this VMware Workstation Pro, and here as you scroll down you can see this link, download VMware Workstation Pro for free. So click on that. That will show you this page. Here you can see that our VMware Workstation is available for Windows and Linux. So we are going to download the latest 17.0 for Windows. So you are going to click on that and you can see all these different versions. So from here we are going to download the latest one. So that is this one. I am going to click on that. And here it is. So first you need to check these terms and conditions, but again you can see this is disabled, so you need to click on terms and conditions first. That's going to redirect to this page and here you can read this end user agreement on your language. And once you are done reading this, then you can go back to the screen again and you can check these terms and conditions. And after that, as you scroll down, you are going to get this button enable. So click on this and click on yes. Here I need to fill all these details, so I'll fill it quickly, and after that you need to check I agree and click on submit, and then it's going to redirect again to this page. And now again you click on this icon and there you have it. Our product is rightly started downloading. So it's going to take some time. Let's wait for some time over here. And there you go. You can see that it is rightly done. Click on the installer. Can minimize your browser. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and our VMware Workstation Pro is rightly started opening. So welcome to VMware Workstation Pro. Click on next. Again, these are all license agreement. You must read it and then accept it and click on next. Here it is telling whether you like to also install Hyper-V platform automatically. So let's go ahead with that. So select this and click on next. It will set the path on an environment variable, which is totally fine. Click on next. Here also keep it default and click on next. It's going to create a desktop shortcut, totally fine. Click on next and hit install. That's going to start installing our VMware Workstation Pro. And there you go. You can see that our installation is rightly done. A desktop shortcut also created over here. So just click on finish. And let's double click on this VMware. So just click on finish and let's double click on this VMware Workstation Pro desktop shortcut. Just double click on it and it has rightly opened. So this is the interface of our VMware Workstation Pro. So here it is telling that it has also introduced a new version 25H2U1. For now I'm going to skip this version, and you can create your new virtual machine over here. And with the help of this new virtual machine, you can create, or you can rather install, Linux like Ubuntu or Kali Linux, anything you want. Basically you can install that within that virtual device. So that is exactly what I'm going to show you right on my next video. I'm going to show you how to install latest version of Ubuntu on this virtual machine. So for that you need to subscribe our channel and press the bell button so that you can immediately get that notification. And also please to join our community, that's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.